Hey, today we're embarking on a sweet adventure crafting the ultimate strawberry syrup with a rich, velvety texture that will elevate your desserts. But hold on to your hats, because we've got a secret ingredient that will knock your socks off. You'll need strawberries at their peak of ripeness, sugar to sweeten the deal, a splash of something, and a hint of lime juice to balance out the flavors. And now the time has come to unveil our mysterious ingredient that will elevate this syrup to new heights. But if you can't tell what it is under this mask, you'll just have to wait a little bit longer for that reveal. First, wash and hull a little over 1 kilogram or 1 pound of ripe strawberries. Then, finely chop them to release their full flavor. Remember, the finer you chop, the more flavor you unlock. Or so they say in the ancient texts of Oggi Mojo Kitchen. Into the pot they go. 480 milliliters or 2 cups of sugar. 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Those magical strawberries. A squeeze of half a lime. And a tablespoon of that mysterious special ingredient. Now we'll stir this concoction over a medium heat for 5 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined. As it simmers, let's talk about our secret ingredient. You might have thought vanilla was special. Or was it the lime? It's not just any ingredient, it's the essence of joy, the whisper of laughter in your kitchen. Grand Marnier. Not just any ingredient, but the kind that tells a story with every drop. It adds a luxurious depth, a comforting warmth, and a tantalizing hint of mystery to our syrup, creating a symphony of flavors on your palate. Just a tablespoon and you're on your way to syrup nirvana. Hey, the strawberries are simmering, but as they do, we'll use our handy rubber scraper to scrape the sauce down the sides and back into the sauce. After the strawberries break down, we grab a fine mesh thingy, pushing all the strawberries and sauce through it to achieve a smooth, luscious syrup. For now, I agree with what you're probably thinking. It's not looking like a very good syrup yet, but just wait for the reveal. In just a few moments, watch as this imperfection transforms into a luscious, glossy syrup that will exceed your expectations. The ultimate strawberry syrup with a twist that'll make your taste buds dance. Bake it into your banana bread, drizzle it over your pancakes, swirl it into your next cocktail, or just sneak a spoonful when nobody's looking. Shh. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure of culinary magic. Soon, we'll have the recipes out for those pancakes and that banana nut strawberry bread. Keep your taste buds tingling as you eagerly await the unveiling of the delectable recipes. We have this other culinary wonder to elevate your kitchen adventures. We think you'll love this recipe over here. Watch it now. Until next time, keep cooking with joy and a dash of mystery.